Hi guys, I'm Ruby. I'm showing you our pedicle screws. Okay, let's get started. Our pedicle screws can be used in our posterior spinal Inter-Fixation. And we have two types. The fixed and adjustable pedicle screws. They are made of titanium alloy, and we have different lengths and diameters. We usually use pedicle screws cross-links with straight rod of 5.5 and 6 mm in diameter in our posterior spinal Inter-Fixation. And we can use pedicle screws with straight rod of 5.5 mm in diameter in our minimally invasive posterior spinal Inter-Fixation. And pedicle screws is one of our hot-selling products. It sells well in many countries like Ukraine, Pakistan, and Brazil. That's all, thank you.